First standard, I about conducting assembly. The mayor called Amir seated to say third after day. Good morning everyone. My name is Amir Umesha Sete. Third after day. Live life to the fullest and focus on the positive. Thank you. Thank you, Amir. Now may I call Anna Nemare to say word of the day. Good morning everyone. My name is Anna Nemare. Today word of the day. First word is miserable. Miserable means unhappy or uncomfortable. Second word is infer. Infer means deduce. Thank you. Thank you, Amma. Now may I call? Now may I call one to say news of the day. Good morning, everyone. My name is Deepak Khandagare. Today, news of the day. Odisha to host Ultimate Kho season 2 from December 24, 2023. Thank you. Now may I call Piazza to a GK question. GK question. Which river is known as the lifeline of India?
River. Ganga.
Right answer is Ganga.
Right answer is
Second, Gita is the Jordan. Dance.
एक बार रिपीट करो म्यूजिक से बात
Gita is folk dance.
Gita is folk dance of which state na Gita is folk dance of which state yes answer answer पंजाब पूरब का क्या आंसर था पंजाब है क्या बेटा पंजाब
Right answer is Punjab. Third, primary. Which animal has a long nose known as tongue?
which animal has long nose known as trunk कौन सा animal को
Right answer is elephant. Thank you. Thank you, Piazza. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.